Hi, everybody. I'm Amber Hodgden. I am a teacher at Galesburg Middle School in Southeast Kansas. I teach ELA to 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. I teach desktop publishing to 8th grade, and I am also the girls basketball coach for our middle school. This is my 4th year as a classroom teacher and my 12th year in education. So a goal that I have for this year is to survive and for next year also to learn from these experiences and grow professionally. I am working towards my master's degree in technology integration. Currently, I am almost completely paperless and in my classroom trying to accommodate my remote students as well as my in-person students. So this degree will be very beneficial to my career because I'm getting lots of great ideas about content, resources, and different ways to use technology effectively in my classroom. And once I obtain my master's, I will be able to instruct other teachers in my building and help them use technology in their instruction more efficiently as well. I would say that a strength that I have is my positive attitude and my bubbly personality. I have high energy, and I am very passionate about teaching, and I think my students can tell. I had a parent tell me the other day that she's never seen a teacher enjoy teaching as much as I do, so I think that's a pretty cool compliment. I would say an area that I need to improve on is probably managing my time more effectively. I'm struggling with just getting everything done. Um, and in my free time that I have away from school, I am doing homework or working on lesson planning or grading, especially with my remote and in person. I'm really struggling with that, and I think I'm taking time away from my family in the process. So I want to find ways to be more effective with managing time and getting things done. Um, and so I would describe instructional technology as utilizing technology to effectively deliver instruction. And I am excited to learn more about that and learn from all of you guys. So nice to meet you.